Hey guys, Sak here from Sakitech, and in today's video we have some brand new updates for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 8 series. That's both for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So let's dive in and get started right away. I do want to specifically talk about 3 new upgrades. One of them which is amazing, and simultaneously it could be a disaster. So let's dive in. Now, first and foremost, we have the official renders of both models from all angles from Android headlines. And right over here, you can see the Samsung Galaxy Fold 8 Ultra in its 3 colors. We've got the white, the black, and the purple. And there's supposed to be a green color that's going to be an online exclusive color that is also going to be available. And then we have the Samsung Galaxy Fold 8, which is the smaller passport style foldable. We have the cream, the graphite, and the lavender color. So again, all these photos have leaked from all angles. You can see exactly what the phones are going to look like. The Fold 8 Ultra is basically a replica as far as design is concerned to the Fold 7 from last year. Now let's look at the details and the potential disastrous news. Real quick guys, we are running a giveaway. The current giveaway prize is going to be a Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. On the top, you can see a countdown timer that indicates when the giveaway is going to be ending. To enter, simply click the link down below. You're going to be at this website. It is my website. Simply read these, put your email, and tap on sign up for free. You're going to be done. You will also get notified as soon as the Z Fold 8 is launched and get the best pricing and other important updates right from me. Now, after you tap on sign up for free, make sure to go to your email and confirm your giveaway entry. And again, once the giveaway is over, when this countdown timer hits 0, you will get the winner, will get notified via email. Good luck. Links down below to enter. Let's move on. So with the Z Fold 8 Ultra, let's look at the front. Now on the front, we have a camera in the display. That's going to be a 10 megapixel camera. The display is going to be an 8-inch display. It's going to be a Quad HD plus resolution. Now the battery on this model, on the Ultra model, is going to be 5,000 milliamp hours, and it's going to have 45 watt fast charging. So these are some incredible updates, but then we have another update. The peak brightness of the display is going from 2,600 nits to 3,600 nits. That is a massive jump in peak display brightness. Additionally, there is a brand new hinge design on the Z Fold 8 Ultra and the Z Fold 8 Wide that is going to dramatically reduce the crease, which is going to make the phone look much nicer when it is unfolded with a minimum display crease. But it is going to have a trade-off, which is the terrible part. The new hinge, according to the leaker, sacrifices flexibility. And that means the flex mode that a lot of people really enjoy on these foldables is not going to be as good as on the older models, because the phone is not going to be able to stay open at as many intermediate angles as the last year's model, the Fold 7. So the flex mode is going to be slightly limited. Now I'm actually scared that the flex mode panel settings might completely disappear. I hope that is not true, but it might happen. But again, the upside is we're going to have a reduced crease, so you may or may not like it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know which one you prefer. Looks like we cannot have everything all the time. Now on the rear, I do want to quickly talk about the camera setup. So on the Fold 8 Ultra, we're going to have a triple camera system. We're going to have a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, and an ultra wide 50 megapixel camera, which is going to be new for this year. The cover display selfie camera is also going to be a 10 megapixel camera. So that's the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now with the Z Fold 8, the wide version, the smaller, more compact product, we are going to have a 5.5-inch QHD Plus display, 120 Hz display refresh rate. That's going to be the cover display. The inner display is going to be a 7.6-inch QHD landscape orientation display. Again, 120 hertz. Now, one thing they did not mention in the leaks is that this Fold 8 is not going to have the 3600 peak brightness. So it might retain 2600 nits. So we don't have a confirmation on that yet, but we'll see what happens. But we do have a 4800 milliamp hours battery. We have 25 watt wired charging, not as fast or as big as the Ultra specs, but that is to be expected. And again, on the inside, we're going to have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. On the outside, on the cover display, we're also going to have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. And on the rear, the main cameras, we're going to have a 200 megapixel main camera and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. It's only going to have 2 cameras on the rear. No telephoto camera for the wide model. And again, based on these latest leaks, all these phones, both these phones, are going to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite processor. That has been basically confirmed even by Samsung, with a minimum storage of 256 gigabytes, and then you'll have the option to buy 512 or 1 terabytes for both models based on these latest leaks. Okay, so that's about it, guys. One of the best things that I heard is that we do have an increased peak brightness on the Ultra model. We do have the reduced crease almost guaranteed, but with the trade-off, the flex mode is going to get a hit. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below as well. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?